Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made 300,000 naira in a month without being monetized on YouTube. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share. I post videos related to tech, how to improve your skills and ways to make money online. So please make sure you turn on your notification to be among those who get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, the most exciting thing about this video is that I finally got monetized on YouTube. So if you check this, it shows that this channel is monetized. So guys, I'm going to be showing you a mail I got recently that my channel is now eligible for monetization, that I have met the YouTube requirement, which is 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. So here is the mail. Apply to the YouTube partner program. Hi Whitevon Digital, way to go. Your channel is eligible to apply to the YouTube partner. Apply now. If accepted to be part of the program, you have the opportunity to earn money and take advantage of additional benefits like expanded copyright protection and so on. So I got this mail after 3 months of creating content on YouTube. So this was when I got a notification that I have been accepted to be among YouTube partner program. So when I got this mail, I was so excited. But how have I been making money before I got a mail that I've been accepted as a YouTube partner? So how did I make 300,000 naira in a month without being monetized on YouTube? So 2 months ago, I made a video on how to design a complete online banking website with payment integration and so on. So this video is the video that made me 300,000 naira in a month. And how did I achieve? So on this video, which made me 300,000 naira in a month, which I taught how to design an online banking website with payments and Bitcoin integration. So if you scroll down, you will notice that I said in this video I will show you step-by-step guide on how to build an online banking website from scratch. If you want to design an online banking website with complete control of all banking features, this online banking script is for you. And here I said you can send a message on WhatsApp now with this link to get the script immediately. So this is where I made my 300,000 naira in a month without being monetized on YouTube. So what exactly am I trying to say? What did I do here? What I did is simple. I monetized my skill. And now this is the amount I charge for this script. I'm going to be showing you guys a screenshot of payments proof from people who have gotten this script from me. So here I posted my account details, and this user transferred 30,000 naira for this script. So what am I trying to say? If you're a new YouTuber and you are under 1,000 subscribers and you are not even close to 4,000 watch hour, what do you need to do? All you need to do is to monetize your skill. And how do you monetize your skills? Just like the example I showed. All you need to do is to post videos related to what you know how to do, and then ask them to contact you if they want services like this. So this is how I made my first 300,000 naira in a month. You must also learn to create strategic videos. And what do I mean by strategic videos? At this point, the main reason why you are creating a YouTube content is not just for entertainment. The goal is to make money from YouTube. Now, when I discovered that this video can fetch me 300,000 naira a month, so what did I do next? I started concentrating my content on how to design software like this. Okay, now on my channel we have one of my latest video which says how to design a VTU data and airtime selling with multiple API integration, and I also have a video on how to design a complete Bitcoin investment website with wallets and so on. And I also have a video on how to design a career logistic website with live tracking and email notification and so on. And this video, which I've shown step-by-step way on how to design solutions, have made me over 500,000 naira, as I say, in a month. So guys, you guys might be wondering how much this dude has made within the period he's being monetized on YouTube. And I'm going to show you guys my YouTube dashboard. You just go to my channel dashboard, and then I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to go to N. So under N, I'm just going to click on view watch page ads. You are earning from ads and YouTube Premium on this watch page. I'm just going to click on see my analytics. And on see my analytics, guys, I've only made $0.001. You might be watching a lot of videos out there from top YouTubers saying they've made over $1,000 from YouTube in just a day of them being monetized. And guys, this is after 2 days of being monetized. I've only made $0.001. So the fact is that I'm excited that I'm making money from videos I've created, right? But the amount I've only made within 2 days is just not reasonable enough. So you just have to create content that can generate you money while you also make money from YouTube. And then if you are yet to be monetized on YouTube, you also need to think about content you can create that can fetch you money on YouTube even while you are not monetized yet. I started making money from YouTube when I had only 20 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and that was when I posted that video. That was like my first 4 videos on my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video and share.